Hi guys, how are you? How are you? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Okay, my name is Raj, and I am here to share with you some analysis, guys. Okay, some analysis on the stocks which have gapped up on Friday, last Friday, guys. Okay, today is Sunday. Today is Sunday, 4th of February. Okay, guys. Friday was the 2nd of February 2024, guys. Okay. So on Friday, we had a lot of earnings last week, guys. Okay. And what happened is a lot of stocks have gapped up and some have gapped down, guys. Okay. So we are going to do some analysis on the stocks which have gapped up and the stocks which have gapped down, guys. Okay. So therefore, let us continue with our analysis, guys. Okay. So the first stock we are going to talk about is Amazon, guys. Okay. We can see from this chart that Amazon had a huge gap up, guys. Okay. And why is this important? Okay. Why this is important? Because when stocks gap, it means that there is significant buying interest or significant selling interest in that stock, guys. Okay. So from here we can see that Amazon had a huge gap up, guys. Okay. So now let us go on to our second stock, guys. Okay. What happened over here to let us go to Apple, guys. Okay. So we can see that Apple gapped down, guys. Okay. It gapped down, but it went back up during the day, guys. Okay, so we had a huge reversal back up in the Apple, guys. Okay, so this is good also, I would say. Okay, so it gapped down on the news of the earnings and then it went back up, guys. Okay, that is fair, that is okay. Okay, next we are going to look at a stock called ANET. Okay, guys, Artisan Networks. Okay, as we can see from Artisan Networks, ANET, we can see that the stock gapped up on a Friday, guys. Okay, it gapped up with significant volume, guys. Okay, so ANET is a good one to look at also, guys. Going into next week, we are going to look at ANET and see how it moves. Okay, it gapped up, but it had a pullback, but that is fine, guys. Okay, it gapped up, and that is what we are concerned about. This should tell us some information about what is to come. Okay, guys. The next stock, which is very interesting, guys. Okay, is Clorox, the Clorox company, guys. Look at this, guys. Okay, Clorox increased a lot. It gapped up very heavily on Friday, guys. Okay, I do not know what this means. Maybe there is a next coronavirus coming, guys. I don't know, but why would Clorox, out of all the companies, gap up like this, guys? Look at this gap, guys. Okay, huge gap up on the Clorox, guys. I do not know. I do not know what is happening, but we will keep our eyes on this, guys. Okay. Another name that a lot of people know about is the Chevron, guys. Chevron gas company, oil company, guys. Okay. So we can see that the Chevron also increased a lot. It gapped up on Friday, guys. And the bar is green. Okay. Which means that it had a healthy gap up, guys. Very healthy, guys. Okay. So Chevron is another one to look at during the week, guys. Let us see if there is a volume and the volatility increases and continues with the gap, guys. Okay. Another stock we are going to look at is this one, guys. Okay, microchip, microchip technology, guys. Okay, so as we can see, the stock gapped down, guys. It had a gap down, but it had a pullback during the day, guys. Okay, so intraday it had a pullback, but it did gap down, guys. Okay, so we're gonna keep an eye on this one also, guys. Okay, let us keep an eye on that one. Okay, another stock which gapped down is BXP, guys, Boston Properties. Now, look at that. It gapped down and had a reversal during the day, guys. But look at this trend, guys. It is breaking down, guys. Okay. So, I expect the continuation to the downside, guys. Okay. This is fine that it pulled back, but look at these bars, guys. Thick, long bars, guys. Okay. We are seeing a significant decrease in the stock price, guys. Okay. Boston Properties. And from a from a fundamental perspective, guys, this makes a lot of sense, guys, because places like the Boston and the New York and the Chicago and these places have seen significant decrease in occupancy, guys. Okay, occupancy in these large cities has decreased a lot since the COVID, guys. Okay, so it makes sense that we are getting some pullback here, guys. Okay, all right, okay. Another name we are going to look at is HIG, guys. HIG. Let us see what this is, guys. Okay. Financial services. Oh, look at this gap, guys. Huge gap up, guys. Okay. This looks good. And the bar is green, which is very, very healthy, guys. Okay. We like this signal here, guys. So this is a nice gap up from the HIG, Hartford Financial Services Group, guys. Okay. So pay attention to this one, guys. This looks like it's moving in the right direction. Look at this chart, guys. This stock has been going up and up and up and up to the top, guys. This chart looks very good, guys. Look at this. Okay. HIG, guys. We have been sleeping on this one. A lot of people make a lot of money in this one, guys. Okay. And that is what we like. Okay. We like the stocks that are making the money, guys. HIG. Nobody is talking about this one. Raj is talking about this one, guys. Because Raj has the algorithms which scan the market looking for different things, guys, like the gaps and the consolidation and the breakouts, guys. Okay. So look at this. HIG, guys. $85, guys. Not that much expensive. Okay. So we're going to keep an eye on the HIG. Nice chart. And you can see it is going up, guys. Okay. And that is what we like. Okay. Let us look at another one that has gapped up. It is called CI, Signa Group. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Signa Group has gapped up incredibly, guys. Okay. Look at this gap. Oh my goodness, it is very good, guys. Very good. Huge candle, and it is green, and it has significantly gapped up. So even though it has gapped up, it went up even more, guys. Okay, this is very good signal. Very, very strong stock, guys. Look at this. Okay, it had some consolidation, and it is breaking out, guys. Look at this momentum, guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. It passed the resistance, and it has gapped up nice, guys. Okay, so take a look at the CI Signa Group. It is very strong, guys. Okay, so we may have some good money to be made here, guys. Okay, depending on how you want to trade it, you can trade it, guys. I am not here to give you any financial advice. All I am giving you is the analysis of the stocks which has gapped up and gapped down. Okay, and if you would like more information to make more money, guys, if you would like more analysis and more information to make more money, please, I beg you, subscribe to the channel, guys. Okay, very important that you subscribe to the channel, guys. Raj has all the algorithms and all the bots to give you the best signals, guys. Okay, and that is what you want. You want the best signals. Raj is here to give them to you, guys. Okay, let us look at another stock, guys, which has gapped down. Let us look at the one which has gapped down, guys. Okay, EMN. What is this about? Eastman Chemical Company, guys. Look at this. Gap down. So on Friday, it gapped down, but it had a nice pullback, guys. Okay, it had a pullback and it settled around here, guys. And it was okay. Okay. Yes, it gapped down, but it had a pullback. But the trend is down, guys. Look at this trend. It is downwards. Downward trend. So Eastman Chemical Company, we may want to short this, guys. I don't know. You go and do what you want to do, but it looks like a downtrend, guys. Okay, so let us look at another one. CHTR. I do not know what this is, but it came up on my algorithms, on my scanners. So we will see what it is about. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. This has gapped down significantly and continued going down, guys. This is a huge red stick, guys. Okay, huge red candlestick. This is bad news, guys. Okay, so this stock looks like it is going to continue on the downside. Now I would be very cautious because it has made a significant move to the downside, guys. Okay, so I would wait for a pullback and maybe go short again, guys. Okay. So this is a nice stock. Looks like a nice stock to short, guys. Okay. So, but be very careful. Be very careful, guys. Okay. And I think that is it, guys. I think, well, one more. SEDG. Let us look at this one, guys. SEDG. Okay. Something technologies. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, this one has gap down, but it has pulled back and it formed a nice hammer here, guys. So I wouldn't go short on this one. It looks like it may be pulling back to the upside, okay? So, but it has gap down. It came up on my scanners, guys, and I don't know. I wouldn't touch this if I were you. Okay. But we have other good names, guys. We have other good names that you can take long or short positions in. It depends on your style and what you think. Okay. But for now, that is it for this video. Thank you very much for viewing. And this is once again, this is Raj. And I ensure you, if you continue watching my channel, guys, you will get good information to trade and make money, guys. Okay. This is not financial advice. This is just analysis, guys, which I am giving to you. Okay. So thank you. And please subscribe, guys. Thank you.